Today, blue pottery continues to be cherished for its beauty and craftsmanship, serving as a testament to the rich artistic heritage of the regions where it thrives. The beauty of blue pottery lies in its exquisite craftsmanship and captivating designs. While talking about blue pottery, it would be dishonest to omit Jaipur-based Leela Baudia's name. Nirja International, under her leadership, has not only preserved the art form but also expanded its reach, benefiting countless craftsmen and their families. It's remarkable how her vision and dedication have resulted in such a rich legacy of unique designs and products. Take a look.
Blue pottery usually depicts blue ceramic designs, but in Jaipur-based Nirja International, the art is not limited to just one color. By incorporating a variety of colors like yellow, green and others, the founder of the company, Leela Baudia, has infused creativity and innovation into the craft. Her innovative approach allows for a broader range of designs and appeals to a more diverse audience who might prefer different color palettes in their decor. It's a beautiful way to blend tradition with contemporary tastes and preferences. Leela's Nirja International not only showcases the beauty of Indian craftsmanship but also demonstrates the power of innovation in keeping traditions relevant and alive. Moreover, by supporting the livelihoods of craftsmen in multiple villages and fostering collaboration with various industries, Nirja International is not only preserving the art of blue pottery but also contributing to the economic development of the region.
आज 3 से 4 गांव हैं, 5 से 600 जने इसमें जुड़े हुए हैं और सिर्फ इसी को बनाएं क्योंकि इसके बाई प्रोडक्ट में भी जुड़े हुए हैं, तो वो हमारे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी हो गया है कि हम ब्लू पॉटरी बना रहे हैं पर वुड के साथ हमने इसको मैच किया, आयरन के साथ मैच किया। तो आप ये सोचिए, वुड वाले भी, आयरन वाले भी, इवन गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर के साथ और डायमंड के साथ भी इसको जोड़ने लगे। तो हर तबके के लोग आज इस क्राफ्ट के साथ जुड़े हुए हैं। तो मुझे लगता है कि क्राफ्ट में अगर यूटिलिटी आइटम हम बनाते हैं और अपनी पहचान बनाने के लिए काम करते रहते हैं तो मेरे को नहीं लगता कि हमको पीछे मुड़ के देखने की ज़रूरत है। हमारा एक्सपोर्ट और लोकल बराबर आ गया है, इसका मतलब हम अपने क्राफ्ट को पहचानने लगे हैं।
Leela Baudia's journey with Nirja International is a testament to her vision, determination and ability to inspire others. Starting with a few craftspeople in 1980, she embarked on a path that would transform the landscape of blue pottery. Despite the initial challenges, she persisted, fueled by the belief of her craftsmen and her unwavering vision. The numerous accolades and awards that have adorned her office over the years serves as a evidence of her excellence and recognition. Leela also authored a book titled Jaipur Blue Pottery, a Tribute, which offers a detailed exploration of the captivating art of blue pottery. Leela's achievements are so significant that she is now primarily recognized by her company's name.
खुशी तो ये है कि मेरा नाम बदल के मेरी कंपनी का नाम मेरा नाम कर दिया है कि नीरजा, मतलब कोई नहीं, अगर मैं कहीं जाके बोलती हूँ मैं लीला बोडिया हूँ तो वो कहते हैं लीला बोडिया, और मैं कहती हूँ कि नीरजा पॉटरी, बोलते अच्छा हाँ हम जान गए। तो ये एक वो है कि लोग बाग मेरे क्राफ्ट से मुझे पहचानते हैं, तो इससे बड़ी खुशी और क्या हो सकती है।
Indian art forms are not just relics of the past, but living traditions that continue to inspire and enrich our lives. While encouraging people to value and support artisans and craftsmen who keep these traditions alive, Leela emphasizes the importance of preserving and celebrating India's rich cultural heritage. Leela Baudia's journey exemplifies the power of entrepreneurship to create positive social change and uphold traditions. By weaving together business acumen with a strong sense of community and cultural pride, Baudia has created a legacy that extends far beyond the product she sells.